Hey guys, in today's brief episode, I want to show you how to replace a power supply on this Canon TR8520. It is a similar process for TR8620 and TR7520. So power supplies, I'm not sure if they're going to be the same for all the models, and they are going to be different if you're in a different region of the world. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. The power supply is located on the very back in this corner where the power cord is plugged in, which makes sense. And to get to it, we will lift the printer and put it on its side. There we go. This is the power supply right here. I do not suggest to keep it on its side for an extended period of time. Just as soon as you're done with your power supply replacement, just put it back. And actually, a very good thing to do is just remove the ink cartridges from the printer to avoid any leaks in there, especially if you have aftermarket ink. We have, so like I said, this is the power supply right here. There are two latches, like tabs, that hold the power supply. You can see there's no screws or anything that we need to remove. So one tab is right here, another one right there. You can just remove it with your finger, and you can also use help of a tool such as the flathead screwdriver. So what you're going to do, actually going to kind of pull it back gently and then pull the tab back. That released one side, and then I'm going to do the same thing here. There we go. So just as simple as that. Slides right out. Then we have the cord loop right there. And now we can go ahead and disconnect it right there, just like so. So this is the power supply. You will find a part number right there. It can be this one, it could be a different one. There's also a part number right there, K30371. And this one, QC55660, I believe that's what it is. It's another part number that you can search if you're looking for a replacement. Those three things that you can search online and find a replacement for your printer. So this is what it looks like. Once again, then you're putting a new one in, or after you've tested it, or if you were able to fix it, or whatever you were doing with it, just go ahead and make sure you properly connect it. Okay, put the new one. It'll fit only one way, so put that in there. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to do that. I hope this was helpful for you, and I wish you best of luck with your printer repair and printer maintenance. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have yourself a great day.